Hey guys, do you have GMC Acadia or Chevrolet Traverse or maybe Cadillac Escalade or SRX built from 2007 to 2013? And your car stereo system has an issue? Well, this video is right for you. Your car head unit powers on just fine, you can reach all adjustments and you can get a radio station on the screen, but there is no sound at all, like beeping or ding sound. Have you checked the amplifier fuse yet? No, you haven't, so start with the fuse. If the fuse is blown, you just need to replace it and most likely you will enjoy your stereo again. So just stop watching this video. But if the fuse isn't blown, your stereo has more serious issue, like amplifier failure. Those amplifiers may have several different issues, like no sound at all from any of speakers, machine gun noise, crackling from one of several speakers, one of several channels do not work. Sometimes those amplifiers may have water damage. We can take care about this issue as well. All those cars have similar BOSE amplifier as pictured. And this BOSE amplifier has common digital sound processor failure. BOSE for GMC, Chevrolet and Cadillac has 3 attachment points, and for cars built from 2007 to 2013 has 3 connectors. Part number located on the back of the amplifier. If you got lucky and you have a friend of yours who is comfortable with electronics repair and this friend has a proper equipment for repair, also you know where to get not counterfeit digital sound processor for your BOSE amplifier. It may be very simple repair for you. Otherwise, we can help you. We do those repairs for many years, and over those years we figured out how to make this repair done properly. Besides digital sound processor replacement, we will replace several parts which is prone to failure, so your amplifier will work just fine for many years. Here is some part numbers. Can be repaired. If you are local, you can just bring your amplifier and we will repair it same day. Otherwise, you can just use shipping option and ship your amplifier to us. Also, if you are local, we can help you out and remove this amplifier for you and put it back. There is no middleman between us, so we can keep the lowest best price ever. For your amplifier repair, you can get me by comments under this video or reach me directly by clicking tab about, and after that view my straight email address. Otherwise, you can find me on Facebook and Instagram. All information posted under this video. Thank you and good luck!